Secret Escapes' vision is to inspire the world to escape, and that means putting incredible holiday destinations at prices you can't find anywhere else in front of the world eventually and the markets where we're present right now. At Secret Escapes, we're a massive bunch of nerds, and one of our values has always been we love data. What that means has changed quite a lot in the last couple of years. Before the pandemic, it meant make sure we're optimizing what we know to be the best way to run the business using data every day. Now, there's still a lot of that, but there's also a lot of trying to understand what is the new normal, what is driven by external events or our own work.
So I think the vision for data at Secret Escapes is to really democratize the data that we have. We want this support network, if you will, of structured data that people can feel comfortable accessing.
We want to empower users to be able to self-serve, get to data, and make their lives easier at work. Data shouldn't be a chore. It should be, I need data for X, and you should be able just to go to the tools that are provided and easily get to the number that you need.
There's always going to be an element of self-service and exploration. In an ideal world, we'll love to be in a place where I come into work and I look at a dashboard, I can see the health of my metrics that I'm really interested in and feel comfortable that everything's in a good place.
What we're trying to do over the next quarter is empower our users to explore data themselves. So be comfortable with going in Tableau, creating a workbook and just playing around with the data. So we have weekly drop-in sessions, we have communal chats. So I think we've done a great job of creating this one source of truth, creating trust, community at Secret Escapes. The next stage is continue to build on that, empower users and hopefully grow the amount of data we consume and serve to the business.
Being on the journey where you can see someone doesn't know anything about this particular tool or way of working, and then you imparting that knowledge on them and then them realizing like it's almost night and day is quite rewarding in a sense that, you know, they didn't know how to use this at all and all of a sudden they do, and it's like opened up a new world almost to them.
The direction of travel, I think, is more people being able to do their own analysis and cuts of data. The modern tools are really enabling that. And also guidance on what the fundamental strategy of the business is and how that is supported by data, especially as we're in this period of transition. Data is also going to allow us to kind of course correct and make sure we get better at forecasting what we're doing, because the better you are at forecasting what you're doing, the more confident you can be in using data to make your decisions.